Okay, so this is the video for this problem. So Elmo is making sandwiches and he makes N. So we say N sandwiches. And we have B globs of peanut butter. And so we have B and they're 4 cents each glob. And then J, that's for blobs of jam, and they're 5 cents each. The cost of peanut butter and jam to make the sandwiches is 2.53. We can just say that's 253 cents. So we have is 4 cents per glob of peanut butter. There's a total of B globs, and then they're all 4 cents each, and then 5 cents each the jam, and that totals up to be 253 cents. And that's if you include the amount of sandwiches, which is N. And so we have two parts to this. We have the N and then the 4B plus 5J. So 253, we'll take a look at this number. So that's 23 times 11, and they're both primes. So it can be 1, 2, 5, 3, 11, 23, 23, 11, then 253, 11. Sorry, that's 1. Okay, so so this is so we say this is the n column and this is the 4b plus 5j. So we have n, it has to be greater than 1. So this is impossible. And if we test this one, we'll have 4b plus 5j equals 23. And b and j are positive integers. And if we look at it, we see j equals 3 and b equals 2 will work out. So the jam is 3. So we have 3 times 5 times, and then the amount of sandwiches is 11. So that's 165. So 165 cents or $1.65.